Because we weren't specific and we didn't want to seem demanding, we left it up to them, and they gave us something that we're not really happy with. They gave us something that we feel now unenthused about. We didn't want to tell the manager what we wanted to get paid. Now we're bitching every 2 weeks when our paycheck comes. We didn't want to tell them exactly what we wanted to eat for dinner. So now we're just kind of forking at this lackluster meal, and as soon as we're done, we're thinking about breaking out and hitting up the drive-thru. We didn't want to be specific and direct about our expectations for a relationship because we didn't want to seem high maintenance. We didn't want to seem difficult. So now a lot of our needs are not being met because we didn't want to be that guy. We didn't want to be that girl. We didn't want to be seen as needy or seen as controlling. If you're not direct about what you want, you'll probably be dissatisfied with what you get.